Roll out every AI feature at once, and you lose the one thing an AI implementation checklist protects: a controlled, measurable rollout. Pick one practical use case and define success before you expand. 8 steps that turn AI research into an action plan treatment organizations can actually use. From the first workflow to a measured pilot and expansion only after it works. If you are moving from interest to implementation, this is the playbook. The HIPAA-compliant AI pillar and the buyer's guide explain the category. This checklist turns that decision into an action plan. The goal is a rollout that stays controlled and measurable from day one. Skip the plan, and the failure modes are predictable. Implementation is not complete until you can show whether the tool actually reduced work, missed permissions, unclear workflows, and a tool that slows people down instead of helping. You end up deploying software without building the team's confidence. Behave Health's HIPAA-compliant AI is designed to support 2 practical workflows. If the issue is typing volume, start with speech to text. If the issue is blank page drafting, start with the AI assistant. Either way, AI drafts, summarizes, and suggests, and clinicians review before anything is saved to the chart. Here are the 8 steps in order. Each one keeps the pilot small enough to measure and strong enough to scale. Step 1. Pick one workflow first. Do not roll out every AI feature at once. Choose one practical use case and define success before you expand. If your team needs both speech to text and the assistant, decide which one goes live first. Step 2. Define what data the tool can use. Write down exactly what information the tool can see, where it lives, and who is allowed to use it. Compliance, security, and operations need to agree before any pilot starts. Step 3. Require human review. AI should draft, summarize, or suggest. Clinicians review before anything is saved into the chart or sent externally. That rule keeps the workflow useful without removing accountability. Step 4. Set roles and permissions. Limit access by role, so the right people can use the tool and the wrong people cannot. A sound pilot starts with a small group of super users, then expands after the workflow is proven. Step 5. Train on real use cases, not abstract demos. Use the actual notes, messages, and tasks your team completes every week. Show clinicians how the tool fits into their day, then give them a repeatable path. Step 6. Measure time saved. Track time spent drafting notes and time spent cleaning them up. Count the users who adopt the tool and the notes reviewed before save. And collect feedback from clinicians and supervisors. Step 7. Review the first 30 days. Sit down with compliance, clinical leadership, and operations after the first month. Look for missed permissions, unclear workflows, and places where the tool is helping or slowing people down. Step 8. Expand only after the pilot works. If the pilot is successful, add more teams, more workflows, or both. If it is not, fix the workflow before you scale it. The goal is confidence, not just deployed software. Stop rolling out AI you cannot measure. See the AI assistant and speech to text in a real workflow. Book a 20-minute demo at behavehealth.com. Bring this checklist to your operations and compliance teams. Then book a demo at behavehealth.com.